Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to assign a static IP address to a device on your Wi-Fi network using its MAC address. It's super useful when you want to SSH to a machine and basically your router is set to a DHCP mode, so it auto assigns the IP. But if there are more than let's say one device, then you can face IP allocation which is not from the starting number. So to tackle this, we'll assign static IP addresses to the device. So for this, you would need is access to your Wi-Fi's admin panel. Normally it is 192.168.0.1. So a page would appear like this, and by default the password is admin. If it asks for username, which I will show you in the next part of the video, but generally the username and password are both admin. So once you're connected, uh, you'll get this interface basically, and devices which are connected. What you have to do is go into the advanced, and then you can see an option called IP MAC binding. Now I have not connected a device. Wait, let me connect device. My device should appear over here. Okay, see, I have a device connected over here. Wait, let me check. Use the MAC address of the device, and you have to paste it over here. You have to enter the IP address, whatever you want, like whatever you want to be static, and then give the MAC address of the device. Now for this example, I'm using my mobile device, but there is an option in the device which says randomized MAC address. So for this you have to disable it, otherwise uh, it would not allocate the static IP for that MAC, because it will change. So you okay, so it will save. Okay, there is still going on. What you have to do is you have to reboot the router. Okay, and wait for the router to reboot. Yes, you can see the device which was we have assigned the static IP of 180, and the device with the same MAC got that same IP. Let me show you where is it here. See, this is the MAC address which we had used, and our device got the IP static IP address which we had used. Now for example, there will be, wait a second, let me on the other machine. Now this is for Tanda router, which is like a straightforward thing. You can directly go to the IP MAC binding. Okay, now I have one more router. Okay, now this is a Dlink router. It basically asks for your username. So by default it is admin, and password is also admin. I have changed it recently, so let me enter my credentials. What happened here? Okay, so this is extend. This is my old router which I am using as an extended switch. So here you can see like I'll show you the process on how to attach the static IP based on Mac. So my DHCP range starts for like and IP address 200 to 200. You can see it assigns the IP address in like an appending state. So 100, and next it will assign 101. Now let's say a scenario is there like I own a machine 1 or machine 2 before the machine 1. So that time it will assign the first machine 100 IP and the second machine 101. So that time my SSH protocol will fail because I don't have a fixed IP, static IP to that machine. So what I can do is I can assign this IP, I'll copy it and I'll assign it here. It says enable static IP. I'll give it a machine address as this 125 and a MAC address as wait a second, what's the MAC address? Okay, and then I'll do a save and apply. So it will reboot and you will, after it comes back online, it will have the designated IP address, a static IP address which we have attached to it. Okay, I think we are back online. And let's see the client. As you can see, the client, the static IP address is attached to that machine. Okay, that's it. That's like a simple video, but I faced some issues regarding this, so I just wanted to share. And it helps in when you want to access to another machine, because this IP address will be constant now. It will be static, and you can easily SSH to the machine without any checking of the like your MAC address. Sorry, not MAC address. Checking of the IP address of the machine again and again. So that's it. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to this channel. Yeah, that's it. Bye.